Hi y'all, this is Kay with Sonora K Creations, and today we are going to be using the healing tool in Snapseed to make a slight adjustment to this picture. Now I have a listing up for the Tree of Life. This is a Garnet Tree of Life, and I have it with different options. You can get it bare, just all by itself. You can get it with the moon. You can get it bare with the swing, or with the moon and the swing. We might have a couple interruptions because it's still during the day, and I get a lot of those during the day. Anyways, so when I was photographing it, I forgot to take a picture of it with just the swing and the moon, and completely without the swing. So I need to remove the swing from the picture, because that takes a lot less time than making a whole new tree, and I don't want to take the swing off the tree to take more pictures. It's just quicker just to remove the swing. So that's the whole backstory behind why I need to do this. But I thought, while I'm doing it, I may as well record a video so that I can show you how it's done. So the first thing first, we are already in Snapseed. So you go down here to the tools and you open it up and find your healing tool. This is where mine is located at. Yours may be in a different location. Once we get that, we do use both fingers. We're going to zoom in to where we need to heal it. And I also noticed, I don't know if it's on this picture, yeah, there's a little fuzzy right there, and that I noticed it on an earlier picture that I was editing. But we're going to come in here with our healing tool, and we're just going to go in circles like this, because that seems to work best. And we're just going to take that out. And then we're going to take that out. And then you have to move up and down by moving the blue square down in the lower left-hand corner. That's how you move around on here, so you get that. And then we're just going to kind of take that out as best we can, and if we don't like it, we hit the back arrow key until we like it again, and then we can make our changes. Yeah, that's better. It's not perfect. Let's see. And I am zoomed in as close. Oops, that's not good. I'm zoomed in as close as I can get. So that's not bad. See, if we zoom out, you get the idea. It's the tree with the moon, and unless you really know where to look, you can't tell that there used to be a swing in the picture. So that is how you use the healing tool to remove something. Oh, we were going to do this fuzzy too. See, you probably can't even see it. I do. We'll just take that out right there. Make sure there's no other fuzzies. Looks good. These pictures were all taken with my Note 9, and I can't remember if I was using the tripod or not at the time. I don't think I was. I think they'd probably be clearer if I had used the tripod. But I digress. Anyways, that is how to use the healing tool in Snapseed. Let me know what you think of this video. Drop me a comment down below if you'd like what other tools you would like to see in Snapseed, and I'll make you a quick tutorial and let you know how it's done. Okay, great. Thanks for watching.